What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Okay, so today I really don't have a plan for exactly what I'm gonna be doing. So we're just gonna get into it and start working on the car and see what we can find to do.
So here's one of the things I want to fix today, or at least start working on, is that I have some filler on the rear firewall that I want to sand down and start make all smooth and start making this all look nice.
So yeah, that was some work, and I purposely didn't make it like 100% perfect because the thought is that I'm gonna put some sound dampening material on top of it, so it doesn't matter that it's not like 100% even. But here's how it turned out. I think it looks alright. It's still a bit wet from the paint, but yeah.
So this right here is the area where the fuel cell is gonna sit. So I'm gonna paint that right now. So yeah, the brush actually broke in half, so that kinda sucked, and it was kind of a pain to actually paint it with a broken brush, but it's done, and it's really dark, as you obviously can tell.
Alright, so I'm sitting here editing this video, and I realized that this video is kinda all over the place, so I apologize for that, and that there really isn't no explanation to what I'm doing. But pretty much, I'm just fixing a bunch of little stuff, and I'm painting stuff, and yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along the ride, so yeah, I guess back to the video.
So a while ago I bought this Cortina grill, and it's not perfect, it has a little dent, so I'm gonna try and fix that. Alright, so I didn't get it like 100% perfect. It's right there, but if you don't think about it too much, you won't see it. So now what I'm gonna do is I actually want to try and paint all these ribs, or whatever you're supposed to call them. I want to try and paint them black and see how it turns out. I have a second grill that is chrome and looks nice and is all straight, so don't worry, I'm not like gonna permanently ruin the look of the car in case this doesn't look good. So yeah, I'm gonna paint it, see how it turns out, and yeah, let's do it. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna start off by masking it all up, and yeah, pretty much prepping it for paint. So there we go, all masked up, ready for paint. So let's go paint this black. And there we go. Now we're just gonna peel off the tape once it's dry, and we'll see how it looks. So I actually put it on the car once all black, and it actually looks kinda sick. But I'm obviously still gonna have to peel the tape off, because I can't keep the tape on there. Once again, we'll see how it looks after I peel the tape off. Okay, so I actually think it looks kind of cool. I might actually use this grill.
Alright, so it's the next day now, and yesterday I said I was going to clear coat the grill. I still am going to clear coat it, but I need to clean it up first, because it's kind of dirty and I don't want to clear coat the dirt stuck to the grill,
because that would be kind of unfortunate. So I'm gonna clean it up now. And since this has been sitting for quite a while and has some really bad spots, I really need to like make better, I guess. I'm actually gonna use some steel wool for this, because I really don't care too much about the finish, but it kind of cleans it up, makes it a bit more shinier, and at the same time it will fix some scratches and hide some stuff. So this is what I'm gonna do for the next probably like hour. So yeah, we're starting to get somewhere. We got some shine in it. It's far from perfect, like there's still a bunch of like small dings and stuff, but I can't do anything about like all of them. So I'll just have this as like an experiment, and if it turns out cool, maybe I'll use it for a while. So now it's time for some clear coat. Alright, so yes, now we're just gonna let it hang here until it's dry. And then we'll mount it to the car. So now it's all clear coated. Looks pretty nice. Like from afar it looks almost perfect, but if you get up close you'll notice some imperfections and stuff, but I think it's good enough. It looks kind of cool.
Alright, so staying on the theme of just painting a bunch of stuff, I actually got some blinker glass or turn signal glass, or yeah, I don't really know what you call this, but it's the glass that goes on the turn signal. So I managed to get a hold of a second pair, so I want to actually tint these, and that might be like a huge sin in the Cortina community. But that's why I got a second pair, because if this turns out like shit, I still have one clear glass pair.
So these have been clean now, and they're not like perfectly clean, but they're good enough to throw some tin on them and see how they turn out. Because yeah, the tint can hide a lot of mistakes. So yeah, let's try and tint them. And also a tip I have for tinting stuff is that it's really easy to go too far, so put on a layer, wait until it dries and check how it looks. Put on another one if you want it darker, but never just go ham, because you're easily going way too dark, way too fast. So take your time while doing this. So here's pretty much how far I think I'm gonna go with my tinting. I'm kind of going for like a dark smoke, not like fully blacked out, but a dark smoke, because I want the car to get like a raw look, so it looks really like angry. And it's kind of hard with a car that looks so nice. Like round headlights isn't the easiest thing to make angry. So anyway, let's let this sit for a while and see how it turns out once it's dried up. And here we have it, all dried up. Let's install them on the car and see if we need to go darker or if it's all good. So I think they look kind of cool actually. They look quite subtle, so they're not popping as much as they used to, and that's what I tried to achieve. Obviously it will look a lot better once everything is on the car and the car is painted, but yeah, you get the idea.
Alright, so as I mentioned the last time I cut out of the video like this, is that this video is kind of all over the place, and I apologize for that because it gets kind of messy and it's kind of hard to stay with me with what I'm doing in this video. And on that theme, I even forgot to make any outro, so yeah, this is the outro. So anyways, if you like this video, hit that like button, check out some other videos, and have a nice one.